Ay na po. Saan yan? Basic.
Kabayan! Magandang araw! So, tamang-tama, no? Andito ako sa Captain Barboza. So, tingnan natin, no? Iba yung vibes niya. So, ang maganda dito, beachfront resto and bar siya. So, tingnan natin. So, una-una, ang highlight nito is yung kanilang, ang specialty nila ng house is the barbecue back ribs. Yung ribs nila, all of the bone ribs. So, maganda yung mga review niya. So, perfect. As of course, burgers. And by now, ayan, ito yung Captain Barboza's, no? So, parang yung lumabas na sa Pirates of the Caribbean. So, you will notice yan, merong buy two, take one. So, start na ng summer, kaya ang sarap. And of course, yung bucket of beer, no? 999 yan. Tapos may choice of bar chow na pwedeng crispy bacon, nachos overload. So, sulit na sulit. Kaya ang dami talagang, they will experience, talaga, itong Club La Ia. Dahil sa katulad ng ganitong resto bar. Okay? So, all throughout the night, open to. So, chill lang talaga. Happy summer, kabayan! Hey!